How to send a text message with effects on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app on iPhone allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page. You can view all your messages over here. On this page, go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Now, tap on the plus icon as shown. You can type in the name of the people you want to send the message to from here. You can select more than one person if you want. After selecting, tap on the text bar below. Now, tap on the emoji key on your keyboard as shown. Select any emoji from here. Then, tap and hold the send button beside it. You can view the different effects over here. Choose the effect that you like. For example, slam. After that, tap on the send button to send the message with slam effect. Following these steps, you can easily send a text message with effects on iPhone.